Okay, what's up? Welcome to this video. Welcome to another massive, powerful, super episode right here on this channel on software engineering concepts in Python for interviews and also for development. Okay, so in this video, we are going to look at what integration testing is in Python. Integration testing, we are going to look at this within 2 minutes so that you can move on to the next video on the playlist. So integration testing in itself verifies that multiple Python modules work together correctly, unlike unit tests that examine isolated components. And it evaluates how your application's parts, such as APIs, databases, services, and subroutines interact, detecting interface errors, data mismatches, and timing issues that remain hidden during individual component testing. So we'll look at how integration testing is done in Python, then we can move on to our next video. So Python actually offers robust tools for integration testing, with PyTest, unit test frameworks being the most popular choices, and the process actually involves several key steps. One involves identifying components. By identifying the components, we select which models need testing together. For example, the database plus the API plus the service layer. And then secondly, we design test cases. So by designing test cases, we create scenarios that test cross-model interactions, like data flow from UI to database. Okay, so last in the process of how it's done is by implementing the test by using fixtures, mocks, and test databases to create realistic testing environments. So if we are going to look at a practical example, it might involve testing a Flask application by creating an HTTP client that calls endpoints and verifies database updates. This catches bugs in the component communication, data flow issues, and interface incompatibilities that unit test would miss. So that's it for how integration testing is done in Python for interviews and also PCEP exam. Thank you for watching. Let's move on to the next video.